Hi everyone, it's Joe from Apex EC. Just doing a review on these Beaverscrews that Tool Talk have sent out to me. So first we'll start with the box. The lid is pretty strong, to be fair. We've got the writing on the back of the lid, but it appears to be backwards. I assume that got messed up in printing. So, the box itself, very tough. It's not going to break easily. I think it would withstand an impact in the van. Maybe not a fall from height. And then we've got the screws themselves. Now, I don't know how well you can see, but there's a starting bit on that screw, which just helped get the screw initially started into wood. And on this midsection, I've got a reaming bit, which again, I'm not sure, I think it's just to clean the hole as the screw's being driven in. And then we've got these nibs on the back, and that is what helped countersink it into a hole. Got a nice deep posy point to it as well. So it fits very well on these drill bits. As you can see, not much of a gap. So, I'll show it driven into a couple of pieces of timber. First we've got a modern bit of timber treated. Drive it straight in. As you can see, very nice, flush with the joint. Definitely impressed with that one. And we've got an old piece of batten. I'll drive one of these into here. Again, for a weathered piece of batten, been outside for a while, hasn't done very badly at all. Hasn't split or anything. Still countersinking. We've got a very old bit of timber that's come off our roof from a recent extension. And again, still bites in. See no problems there. I've even driven a couple before into the ends just to test them. And they don't split, they don't show, and they still sink in. Been using these for quite a while now. Probably, well, they come in a tub of 800 and probably used 300 by now. Great for floorboards, fixing down things like that for me as an electrician. Definitely worth getting. Definitely a box for the van, I think.